Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NUBIA Focus 2 Ultra, and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll all the way down to find the system. Then let's tap on languages, and here go to system languages. And as you can see, here we've got the list of all currently, let's say, applied languages, or this is simply a shortcut of those which we are frequently using. So let's tap on Add a Language, and here we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So simply find yours and then tap on it, for example this one, and your device will immediately ask you whether you'd like to set it as default. So just tap on set as default, and as you can see, it will immediately appear at the top of the list, and now the whole system will be displayed in the chosen language. If you've got more than one language is added here, and if you wish to change it, for example, for the second one, simply tap on it and hold it, and then drag it to the first position. Then tap on change or apply, and now we've got English set. So to remove the languages, here we have to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on remove. Mark the languages and tap on the trash bin icon. Tap on remove, and here we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.